Hi, Joseph. Where are you going? Oh, you have so many sunflowers here, then bells. And then there's also a Sarge store inside the campground. There. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, so many horses. Oh my god, so many horses here, guys.
Number 11 to know.
Hmm?
11.
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
Yes, we are ready to get in. Yahoo! You have to hold that. Yeah, it's okay. We're not riding the car. We're riding the horse. Hello, horsey. Horsey, horsey. Wow. Joseph Escardo. Joseph Escardo. You have to hold.
Mama, ano to?
Yeah, it's a rocky.
Mama, pupupoto.
It's okay. Huwag kang matakot. Kuya,